Me to become the guest of honor speaker for this event. Sabi niya kasi, yung mga successful. So, sabi ko, am I really successful with life? To become successful, you need to develop your ABCD. Behavior, attitude. Attitude, behavior, character, and discipline. These are the powerful foundation you must carry with you because in reality, if you are mentally and emotionally weak, life will easily defeat you. In short, madali kang matalo sa buhay. When I was in high school at Guhang National, I lived in a boarding house far away from my family since I am the last child. Life wasn't easy because my mom and dad wasn't there to cook my food na papasok sa school. We didn't have a gas stove because gas stove before is that hindi pa yung uso. So I had to gather firewoods, mga yung akunada JNMA, just to cook my meals. I had to be careful with my allowance, kaya minsan ang ulam, pancit canton, payless, tuyo, sardinas, and even corn bits. Just to make sure my allowance would last because malayo nga sila nanay at tatay na magbibigay ng allowance. And then at the same time, tipid kasi si ama noon, kaya kailangan mo talagang i-budget yung allowance mo. There was even a time when I was in high school that I was bullied. Dahil payat, medyo boyish, and I came from a barangay far away from the Banawe town. People would assume, walang alam nito, kastoy na siguro dahito yan. And I even experienced driving in a dump truck from doon sa town ng Banawe going to Awen Igid just to get home in afternoon ng Friday. But those moments didn't break me. They challenged me to grow stronger. At the same time, ayun, sumakses, tapos na sa high school. At last, I reached college. I enrolled criminology at University of Baguio, carrying with me a dream that one day I will become a successful police officer. Kasi nga, criminology yung aking inenrollan. Baon ng prayers, payo, tugon nila ama and ina, at ito lagi ang tumatak sa akin. Ang moving nga nasadot ka, nga panagtalon, iso nga sayatang nga panag eskwela. No agasawa ka nga nasapa, every time nga buwangon ka dito'y ayan tayo, syempre agsubli ka dito'y, ti makitang kat, karayan kan taltalon. De lang ti makita, ingana ka dito yan, no agasawa ka nga nasapa. Those words stayed in my heart and pushed me to keep going. I finished my degree after years of hard work. 3 years ko nakuha ang criminology na course ko sa UB. At ang hindi alam ng aking mga parents, aking mga kuya, may dalawa po akong bagsak na major. Siyempre hindi ko yung sinabi kasi hindi nila ako pag-enroll in the following semester. Then, I took my licensure examination for criminologist. By the grace of God, I passed, together with my cousin, who was my batchmate before. This was a moment of victory. I thought after graduating, life would be easy. But I was wrong. That when I realized the truth behind the question, what life after passing the licensure exam? For me, that became one of the hardest stage of my life. The struggle began and after the celebration. Siyempre, criminology graduate ka, sasabihin ng kapitbahay nyo, ayun natin nakadistinuan. Di ba police karaktan? And pressure and everything. To move forward, since during our time, wala pa pong quota for police. And at the same time, I was 19 years old that time. And I'm not eligible to enter in the law enforcement service. To move forward, I entered in the security service and worked as a security for almost 2 years. Diyan lang sa hotel, baba ng City Hall. At the same time, while working in the security, I enrolled my master's degree. It wasn't the path that I imagined. Siyempre, criminology graduate ka nga, magiging police ka, magiging jail officer ka, magiging FAR ka. But then again, yun yung pinakamahirap sa lahat. The path is not easy, but it was a part of the journey that shaped my perseverance, humility, and determination of chasing my goal. After spending 2 years in the security service, I found myself entering in the world of academia. Baka sa pagtuturo talaga ang destiny ko. Magturo sa mga gustong magiging police officer, mag-lecture sa gustong magiging future criminologist. And just like before, mahirap. Kasi hindi ganon kalaki yung sweldo ko nung first na trabaho ko. There were struggles, challenges, and moments of doubt, balancing responsibilities, expectation, and personal growth that tested my patience and determination once again. But I thank the Almighty for giving me the strength, the courage, and I was able to conquer them all. Today, I am connected with St. Louis College, San Fernando, where I serve as the program head of criminology department. At the same time, I continue to grow beyond the classroom by managing my own review center, the Trim Chats Review Center, and it was named after our apelyido, the Trim Chats Review Center. Through this, I aim to help aspiring criminologists preparing for the licensure exam, sharing not only the knowledge but also the life lesson I've learned from my own journey. My success alone is not mine. The success is the success also of my parents. All credits belongs to them, as well as my brothers and sisters who sent me or supported me going to school. They paid all my tuition fee. Sabi nga nila, wag kang mag-working student habang kaya pa namin na magbayad ng tuition mo. Everything I have achieved is a result of their sacrifice, love, and unwavering belief in me. Shout out kay Ama, kay Ina. Amin kat para kanyayo daytoy. That's why one of my strongest advice to these young kids, kung nawawalan ka ng pag-asa sa buhay, just look at your parents. Remember everything they have done for you. The struggle they endured, the dreams they carry for your future. They even sacrificed their own dreams for you. Just imagine, hindi sila kumakain para lang may padala sa inyo na pagbayad nyo ng tuition fee. Let that be your motivation to keep going, to stand up again and never give up, because sometimes the strength you are looking is already right in front of you. Today, no matter how far you've gone in life, always remember, haan mo nga lipatan, no ayan na tinagapwang. Kung nadangaro, isikan ka na ay, that I saw, and share it in my social media is, dapat ha mga lipatan, no ayan na tinagapwang. Urayan niya, isaad mo ti biyag. Stay grounded. Hold on your roots, values, and experience that shape who you are. Success may change your lifestyle, environment, and people around you, but it should never your humility and gratitude. No matter how grown or achieved, always look back with respect and appreciation, because in the end, the greatest strength is not what you have become, but the journey, the struggle, and the people who help you or help get you there. Don't you know that it was my first time in La Union, and I'm very proud to say that I am from Ifugao. Because sa amin sa San Fernando, La Union, in St. Louis College, the sister school of SLU or St. Louis University, may mga kailan din tayo doon, but they are from Mountain Province and even Benguet. I'm very proud to say, because sabi nga ni Vice President kanina, okay, dapat kung saan ka mapupunta, andun lahat, baon-baon mo kung ano yung culture, yung mga traditions. Okay? Kasi iba talaga kapag ikaw ay taga-Ifugao. Meron kang perseverance, dagdakkel tiyanos mo. So sa mga young kids, okay, stay grounded and always look at your parents. Let them be your motivation to keep going. Ulitin ko, pag nawawalan ka ng pag-asa sa buhay, always look at your parents. Sila dapat yung ating motivation sa buhay for us to become successful in life. So thank you so much and good morning.
Thank you ma'am sa message mo. Sige, JK, agreement kayo dito sa ako. Then so may we call Sir Chris and Sir Johnny to give the Johnny Jimong to give the certificate, plaque of appreciation and our token. Okay, so once again, sir, thank you for coming over. Salamat po with the oras niyo. May we also request the other officers and barangay officials, city councilor nga dita tag picture tayo dito sa amo with our guest speaker. May kayo dagiti barangay official, city official, representative from different organizations nga dita o may kayo tag picture tayo, kadwa tayo dahil kunay guest speaker tayo. Sir. May kayo, Councilor Awi may also acknowledge the presence of our Federation President, Councilor January Mananing. Sir, good morning. Yan, dagiti kakagawad coming from different barangay. Sir Dave, may kayo sir, tumaynayin kayo. Officers coming from different organizations nga datatang agsapa. Kung may kayo apo dito sa angot, nakapicture tayo, iti guest speaker tayo tata. Okay, as they are having the picture taking, may we request the intermission coming from the FIB Youth. It is a chapter to prepare for our community dance. Again, sir, thank you once again. Palakpakan tayo man po. Iti-guest speaker tayo ng tama. And thank you po for coming over. So again, okay again, so let's proceed to